Beijing lays claim to a vast U-shaped line of jurisdiction in the South China Sea, known as the Nine-Dash Line, which includes several disputed islands and fishing grounds. Oil and gas reserves are also thought to exist beneath the seabed. China is building artificial islands on coral reefs, some of which are being turned into military bases. The Hague Tribunal ruled Tuesday that Beijing had violated the sovereignty of the Philippines, which brought the claim to the court. In Manila, there were celebrations, but also concern that it will be difficult to enforce the ruling.
I think nothing is for certain. It is dangerous there. It looks like they won't really give it up. China is very difficult.
For weeks, China has pumped out propaganda criticizing the court and questioning its jurisdiction. Minutes after the ruling, Beijing's Ministry of Foreign Affairs said the decision, known as an award, was null and void.
The so-called arbitral tribunal was based on the illegal action and the claim of the Philippines from the very onset, so its very existence is not legitimate. Then all the awards it produces will be in vain and invalid.
But Beijing is a signatory to the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, under which Manila lodged its complaint.
There will be a furious debate taking place inside the corridors of power in Beijing between people looking for a more progressive approach on China's part when it comes to participation in the international legal order and those who believe and will be forcefully arguing that might is right.
China has been displaying that might, carrying out exercises near the disputed Paracel Islands and even planting a flag on the South China seabed. Chinese vessels have repeatedly clashed with Filipino fishermen around the disputed Scarborough Shoal. Other nations, including Vietnam, Malaysia and Taiwan, also say China is violating their sovereignty.
You will no doubt have international lawyers from all of these other countries furiously poring over the text from the award from the arbitral tribunal today to consider what kind of arguments may lie in there for the claims of their own states in their maritime disputes with China. But those kinds of considerations will then come to be balanced by political views.
US warships have continued to sail through the disputed waters, angering Beijing. In a statement Tuesday, the US State Department said the tribunal's decision is final and urged all claimants to avoid provocative statements or actions. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.